Hello everyone! Today we are exploring one of the biggest traps in Python, decorator stacking order and how to easily build parametric decorators. Let's jump straight into the code. The stacking order trap. Imagine we have function to post user comments and we want to do two things to it. First, censor bad words, and second, convert the out to uppercase. Look at the code. Return. Okay, return wrapper. Okay. Then okay, return wrapper. Now let's stack them on our function in this specific order. Look at the code. Excuse me. Let's print the output like this. Okay, let's run. As you can see. Okay. Why did the censorship fail? Because Python decorators execute from the bottom up. Close the function first. First, censor bad words, replace hate with a heart emoji, but then shut run and turn the entire string, including the emoji mechanism, into uppercase, breaking it. If you flip the order, the next becomes uppercase first, meaning censor bad words won't find the lowercase word hate. Always remember the onion layer rule of stacking. Creating a decorator factory, passing parameters. What if we want to pass the specific verb we want to censor as an argument? In a standard Python, we have to create a decorator factory using 3 levels of nested functions. Look at the code. Layer 1, then layer 2. Okay. Layer 3. And return. Return wrapper. Then return decorator. Okay. Now we can dynamically chain and pass arguments to our custom decorator. Look at the code. Okay. Return. Then print. The output like this. Excuse me. The output like this. Print. Okay. The clean way using the decorator library. Writing 3 layers of functions in exhausting to keep your code flat and readable. Just install the decorator library using pip install decorator and write it cleanly in a single layer. Look at the code. First import library. Okay, then result and return result.replace. Okay. Now you can use it effortlessly like this. Return and let's print the output like this. Okay, let's run. As you can see. Okay. Outro. Decorators execute from the inside out button to top for arguments. Either build a 3-layer factory or use the decorator package for cleaner code. Smash that like button, subscribe for more quick programming tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!